This video will demonstrate how to use Exams TNB Mentors platform. So first you have to visit this link, then click on sign up and then fill all the details that the page is asking. For example, your correct email ID. Choose a strong password. Write a strong password so as to make sure that it is secure. Then put your correct mobile number without the country code. Then put your first name, your last name, and choose a nickname like I am doing. Make sure to add a number to the nickname you are adding. Okay. And then select your PG specialty. Make sure to read the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then just click on create account. So once you click on that button, you will receive an OTP on your email ID as well as on your mobile phone. So you have to enter that OTP and then just click on submit OTP. That's it. You have successfully registered on this platform. Just click on this button and you will be taken to your dashboard. So once you have signed up on the platform, you have to make sure that you are able to sign in easily. So there are two ways to sign in. I'm showing you the very first one. So visit this link, click on the sign in button and put your email ID. And then click on continue button. Then put your password and then click on continue. Make sure you are entering the correct password. And after this, you will be taken to your dashboard area. So inside your dashboard area, you will see so many courses, but you have to just click on my courses section. And here you will find all the courses you are enrolled in. Now let's see the other way of signing in. In this method, we will use the mobile number only. So enter your mobile number without the country code and then click on continue. And now choose use OTP. So once you click on this option, you will receive OTP on your mobile phone as well as on your registered email ID. So you can use either of those OTPs. So you just have to put the OTP inside and then click on continue. And you are logged into your dashboard. So after successful registration and after checking that you are able to sign into the platform, make sure to send these details to Dr. Pratik Porwal via WhatsApp on the following number. So he and his team will be enrolling you to the course manually. Within few hours of sending the details to Dr. Pratik, you will be enrolled to the course and you will be able to see it in the My Courses area as you can see on the screen. So you have to click on the course and you will be greeted with the course page. So as you can see, there are all the details and the course content mentioned on the page. The course content is divided into week by week modules. And you can see this is one of the 4 pages. So when you click on the arrow, you will be taken to the next page. So now click on start course. So this will be the structure of the course, and inside it you will be able to read everything, watch videos and give quizzes. So once you are sure that you have read all the content, then you have to click on this mark complete button. So one by one, you will progress to the lessons or the sections. So as you can see, this is a video that is lecture 1 gross overview. And here you will see
We are going to start
there
with
are
the first
two qualities of the video.
module today.
So
That
from
is
this icon, you
the
can change the
module on
quality into
anatomy.
HD or ST. This is how you can play and pause the
The
video.
first section we are
This
going
is
to
how
deal with
you
the gross
can
over
jump to any section of the
sodium,
video.
whereas the endolymph is
And by
normally rich
clicking
in
this icon, you
potassium.
can
In diseases like
make the
Meniere's
video full
disease, when
screen.
there is a break, some of the theories talk about a break.
This is the video reset button. And by clicking this icon again, you can come out of the full screen mode. So there will be some lectures where you will see download PDF of lecture. So you have to click on that button and the PDF will be downloaded. Each lesson has to be marked complete by that blue mark complete button. As you can see on this area, you are able to see the progress and your last activity, as well as each and every lesson that you have marked complete will be checked with green tick. So if you decide to just jump over to any lecture, then you will be greeted with this message that you have to complete the previous lesson and you have to click on back button just to go back to that lesson. By clicking this button, you can change the view of this course area. Like now this is the night mode.
So welcome back. And in this section,
By clicking this button, you can go into distraction free mode and that's it. You can click on my courses area to just go back to the dashboard area where you can see all the courses. So that's it. If you have any questions, then you can contact us anytime by clicking on this button and you will see there are two names coming up. So if you have any requirements regarding course, then you can just click on that button and you will be taken to WhatsApp. Thank you.